Hi all. In this video, let's learn about realization of XNOR gate using only NAND gates. Realization of XNOR gate using NOR gates. Here, before we design XNOR gate using NOR gates, we should know De Morgan's theorem. Here, A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Then A B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. And also we should know the XOR and XNOR gate truth table. First I will write XOR gate A B A XOR B A XOR B whole bar 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here A XOR B. Here XOR gate truth table is this is 0 0 1 1 0, this is 1 0 0 complement of XOR gate output 1. Okay, now let's design XNOR gate. Now I will write the circuit diagram. This is A input, this is B. I will take it as this is Y1, I will take it as Y2, so I will take it as Y3, this is your Y4. Okay, now let's design XNOR gate. Let's simplify. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of, that means realization of XNOR gate using NOR gates. We need 1 2 3 4, we need 4 NOR gates. Now I will write, see here, Y1 is equal to A plus B whole bar, A plus B whole bar. Now I will take it as this one Y2. Here Y2 is equal to A plus B whole bar. Okay, a plus B whole bar. Okay, next here this one A plus B whole bar double bar. Why? Because this we are here, this is A plus B whole bar, this is A plus B bar again whole bar. Next let's simplify this one. Y2 is equal to now let's apply De Morgan's theorem. Here see A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Okay, here A bar dot A plus B bar double bar get cancelled. Okay, next here y is equal to okay, here now A bar dot A plus B whole bar. Okay, not A bar. Okay, next here let's multiply this one. Here sorry, this one, sorry, I forgot to put this one whole bar. A bar dot A plus B bar will get cancelled. Now here apply De Morgan's theorem again. Now here I will do here A multiply A dot A bar plus A bar B. Okay, Here next is equal to a bar a into a bar is equal to 0 plus a bar b, okay, is equal to y2 is equal to a bar b. Okay, let me explain again. Here y2 is equal to, this is a input, a plus, okay, a plus b whole bar, okay, this is bar again bar because NOR gate. Next here again apply De Morgan's theorem, a bar dot a plus b double bar would get cancel. Next here multiply a into a bar plus a bar into b. Okay, next a into a bar is 0 plus you will get a bar b. Now a into a bar is 0, okay, you will get a bar b, okay, a bar b, y is equal to a bar b. Similarly you simplify for y3. Okay, now let's simplify for y3. Here y3 is equal to y3 is equal to y3 is equal to b plus a plus b bar, okay, double bar. Okay, next here y3 is equal to apply De Morgan's theorem, b bar dot a plus b is equal to a b bar plus b bar is equal to, here a b bar plus b into b bar is 0, okay, is equal to y3 is equal to a b bar. Now you need y4. So what I will do, y4 I will write here, y4 is equal to y2 plus y3 is equal to, here y2 a bar b plus y3 a b bar a b bar. Okay, now let's simplify this one, a bar b plus a b bar. Now let's apply De Morgan, okay, this bar, okay, this is bar. Here y2 plus y3 is, here y2 is a bar b, y3 a b bar. Now I am combining this one, y2 input and y3 will get y4. Y4 is equal to y2 plus y3 a bar b plus a b bar, this bar. Okay, here next apply De Morgan's theorem, a double bar b dot a bar b double bar, okay, is equal to, here you will get a bar with a b plus a bar b. Oh sorry, let me, sorry. See, a bar b. Now I will apply De Morgan's theorem here. Okay, here first let's take it as, here a bar double bar b dot, okay, a b bar double bar, okay, this one. Now next apply De Morgan's theorem again. Here a plus b bar, this one, this theorem I am applying, okay, here this one. Next dot, next a bar will get cancelled, a b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar will get cancelled, a bar plus b, a bar plus b. Okay, now is equal to apply A into A bar plus AB plus, okay, A bar B bar plus B bar is equal to AB plus A bar B bar, because A bar and A bar is equal to 0. This is your XNOR gate Boolean expression. Okay, AB plus, suppose if you can simplify here, take AB. Okay, AB, like this is A0 into 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You take this AB and get output. Then again take the complement of A input and take complement of B input. Again multiply those, okay, inputs. Then perform OR operation. You will get this output, XOR get output. This is the Boolean expression, or you can also write A XOR B like this. Sorry, I will write neatly. Is equal to A XOR B bar. Okay, like this. Now here for this, now again realization of XNOR gate. Realization of how to get XOR gate. Simply you can just for this one, for this Y4 output, just you need to add one more XNOR gate. Okay, here this is A plus A XOR B whole bar. Then again if you add it, I will take it as this is Y5 is equal to A XOR B. This is like this. This is your XOR gate. Okay, I will explain again. To design XNOR gate using NOR gates, you need 4 NOR gates. Okay, like this you take A, B, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4. Okay, you should know the De Morgan's theorem and you should know the truth table. See how I simplified, right? Like that you need to simplify. Okay, this one you will get Y2 is equal to A bar B, you will get YB A B bar. Then I have combined this one, A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. Again I have applied De Morgan's theorem, this one. Okay, A bar dot B bar. See, A bar K dot B dot A B bar double bar again bar. Okay, like this. So you need to, this one you need to add it. Then again apply De Morgan's theorem, again multiply, you will get this one. Okay, actually you need to practice. Okay, this covers your realization of all gates. In the last video I explained realization of gate, AND gate, NAND gate, OR gate. Okay, that's why I have made a separate video for this one, because ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂತಂದರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬಾಯ್.